Welcome to Take a Leaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to completely close Microsoft Teams. Now, when you have your Microsoft Teams software opened up, at the top right, you'll see this cross button. This is basically the close button. And if you simply click on it, it will close Microsoft Teams. But that's not just it. It's still running in the background. If you go to the bottom right of your screen to this arrow icon, which shows the system tray, you'll find Microsoft Teams running over here. And if you just double tap it, it will open up again. So how to completely close it? At first close it normally, then just open up the system tray again, and then just go and hover on Microsoft Teams. From here, just right click on it and click on Quit Teams. And this is gonna completely close Microsoft Teams for you. We can also verify it. Just go to search bar and search for Task Manager, and just open up Task Manager and make sure you go inside processes, and you have to make sure you don't have Microsoft Teams over here inside processes. As you can see, I don't have it, so it means Microsoft Teams has completely closed. And that's it. And that is how to completely close Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.